Hi, it's Lisa Janvin and I'm back in baby number 2's nursery. We are on step number 3 of this nursery makeover. Today we're going to bring functionality and fabulous style to this changing table area. There are 4 reasons why I like to hang a wall mirror in a nursery. Number 1, when you're getting your baby to sleep and you spend a lot of time, you give a baby a lot of time, like 30, 40, 60 minutes, and then you're in there for an hour putting baby to sleep and you're not sure if they're actually completely passed out before you lay them down, you can kind of just sneak a peek in the mirror. Just a quick sneak peek to see if their eyes are completely shut. Number 2 is you get glances of yourself and baby being cute in the nursery, and who doesn't want to do that? Number 3, babies love to look at themselves in the mirror. It can be very calming and very soothing, and they have fun. And number 4, check out this mirror. I mean, how fabulous is this? You added style here in just one piece. Okay, so here's what I'm working with today to hang this wall mirror securely and in the right spot. We've got a tape measure, a stud finder to find the stud, and we've got a screwdriver and a power drill. Of course, a screw and a wall anchor in case we didn't find the stud. And I like to use command strips to secure down the wall mirror. So just to make it extra secure that not so much that it's gonna fall, but that if baby goes to grab it or someone gets knocked, it's not gonna move and rock and even have any chance to fall down. So command strips, these are the damage-free hanging ones. Of course, they are for the picture frames. So they're extra secure, they're like a little Velcro, a little thicker, so they're gonna work on this piece a little bit better because it'll attach to the back of the mirror. There's some tabs, and we're gonna just stick that right on there. Okay, so the next step is to measure the height on the wall, which we've already actually done because I had Mom come in here earlier. She's a bit taller than I am, and I wanted to make sure that the mirror was at a good height for her to see and easily, and also that it's not too low, so it's not right in baby's reach anyway. But we're gonna use a stud finder to find the right placement in the wall. This is more or less where the changing table will be, but we can also move it. So this one has a little laser beam and a beep when they hit a stud. And then, because we found a stud that is pretty much in the center, we don't have to move too much the changing table. But if you don't find a stud, you know, a wood beam in the wall, you can definitely use wall anchors. There's different options. Here's one here. It's pretty heavy duty. Got another one like this, and I have some silver ones that have these little clips in the back. But we found the stud, so we're gonna just use, we're gonna just try and use the drill and drill it in. Make sure we're going the right way. Make sure you're drilling in and not reversing it out. Okay, we have 4 sets of these command strips. We're just gonna snap them together. They used to say on one side for the wall and for your decor piece, but these both have the same size. So we're just gonna add those in, and you're gonna wanna place them on the piece of wall art so the tabs stick out, because that's what you pull down to pull it off the wall. We don't want it to show too much, so we're gonna kind of cheat it a little bit. Right there. And then we're gonna do that to all of them. Okay, we've got the screw in, we've got the command strips on, and all we have to do now is hang it. Find the, there we go. And place it on the wall. And make sure it's straight and press in. That's it. Okay, so we've added this fabulous mirror. It's got functionality and super great style. The other thing at the changing table area that's important as far as functionality goes is obviously the changing pad. You want to have a nice comfy changing pad. We've added in this beautiful new changing pad cover. It's from Pehr Designs, and it's got beautiful little floral print here. And the other important thing is you're gonna probably only have one hand to reach things, so you want to have some kind of space nearby to add diapers and the wipes. And that's it. It's Lisa Janvin with YouthfulNest, and I am back in baby number 2's nursery makeover. We're doing step number 4, stylish storage. Got some open bins back here. These are beautiful little canvas bins, closed storage bins, and great little hooks